of the place that I live, on the wild windy plains, in the mud called Lake, county called Gray, and here's what the people there say. So long, it's been good to know you. So long, it's been good to know you. So long, it's been good to know you. This dusty old Dusty's getting home, and I got to be drifting along. Dusted us over and covered us under. They blocked out the traffic, they blocked out the sun. Straight from home, all the people did run, saying, so long, it's been good to know you. So long, it's been good to know you. So long, it's been good to know you. This dusty old Dusty's again in my home, and I gotta be drifting along. We talked of the end of the world, and then we'd sing the song and sing it again. We'd sit for an hour, not a word to say, and then these words, what would we heard? The hearts they sat in the dark and they spark. They hug and they kiss in that dusty old dark. They sighed and they cried, they hugged and they kissed, but instead of marriage they talked just like this, honey. So long, it's been good to know you. So long, it's been good to know you. So long, it's been good to know you. This dusty old Dusty's giving my home, and I gotta be drifting along. Now the telephone rang and it jumped off the wall. That was a preacher making his call. He said, kind friend, this may be the end. You've got your last chance of salvation of sin. The churches was jammed and the churches was packed, and the dusty old dust storm rolled us so black. Preacher could not read a word of his text, and he folded his specs and he took up collections.